Precision Unleashed, the technical drawing ballet in graphic design. In the meticulous world of graphic design, technical drawing emerges as the disciplined maestro, orchestrating a ballet of precision, accuracy, and structured elegance. It's a dance where lines, angles, and measurements take center stage, crafting a visual symphony that speaks the language of engineering and innovation. Technical Drawing's Precision Ballet. Lines and Perspectives. In the ballet of technical drawing, lines become the prima ballerinas, executing precise movements and defining the visual choreography. Perspectives unfold like graceful arabesques, offering a three-dimensional dance that captures the essence of form and function. Measurements and accuracy. Precision is the heartbeat of technical drawing. Measurements and accuracy perform a synchronized duet, ensuring that every element on the canvas aligns flawlessly. It's a dance where numbers waltz with lines, creating a visual masterpiece that stands as a testament to exactitude. Symbols and notations. Technical drawings communicate through a dance of symbols and notations. Like an intricate pas de deux, these symbols convey specific meanings, allowing engineers and designers to understand the language of dimensions, materials, and specifications. Orthographic Projection Ensemble. The technical drawing ballet often features an ensemble cast in the form of orthographic projections. Front, side, and top views perform in unison, providing a comprehensive representation that unveils the intricacies of an object's design with meticulous clarity. The fusion of art and precision. In the dance of technical drawing, there's a unique fusion of artistry and precision. Every stroke of the pencil or pixel on the screen is a deliberate movement, blending the aesthetic finesse of design with the methodical rigor of engineering. Digital choreography. As technology takes the stage, the technical drawing ballet undergoes a digital transformation. Digital tools become the choreographers, offering designers the flexibility to execute intricate moves with the precision of a laser-guided dance. From AutoCAD pirouettes to SolidWorks twirls, the digital realm enhances the efficiency and scalability of the technical drawing ballet. Conclusion: a technical drawing ballet of form and precision. In the grand theater of graphic design, technical drawing emerges as a disciplined ballet, where precision and form dance together in a harmonious spectacle. Join us in exploring the technical drawing ballet, where every line is a measured step, and every notation is a note in the symphony of design precision. It's a dance that unveils the artistry in engineering and celebrates the elegance of meticulous craftsmanship in the ever-evolving realm of graphic precision.